So hi, good afternoon everybody. My name is Jatin and you are watching Gentleman's Approach. And today's topic is 10 things that you can do on regular basis to look attractive. And coming up first in the list is you have to wake just a little up in the morning. The habit that helps you for coming decades, and also people who wake up early in the morning are not likely prone to diseases. Adding to it, it will also make sure that you start your day fresh in the morning. And in order to look attractive on the regular basis, you only have to moisturize every day. And yes, this is very important and is ignored by people all around the world. And why I'm saying this is because you move around the sun all day long and that is very damaging your skin. So in order to protect your skin, you always have to moisturize. And third in the list is you always have to exercise on regular basis in order to look good and attractive. So not only you will look smart, elegant and attractive, but also it will boost your metabolism and improves your immune system. That is also going to be beneficial for you guys and you are not likely prone to any disease. And number fourth in the list is you always have to do your hair. And yes, if you're talking about the weekdays, that is from Monday to Friday, then you should always oil them up and maintain them proper, take care of them, and that will help. Otherwise, on the weekdays, you don't have to oil them up, and that means you only have to give them natural therapy. That means you have to give them natural hair, and that will make your hair healthier. And now fifth one in the list is you always have to do your nails. So this is one of the most important part of grooming, and I'm not just talking about the hand nails, but I'm also talking about the feet ones. And trust me, you don't want to get embarrassed in front of all the people by showing your dirty feet. And now moving on to the sixth one, which is you always have to keep yourself hydrated. And in order to stay hydrated, you always have to drink at least 4 liters of water daily, and that will also make you look less fat. So seventh in the list is you always have to go early to your bed. And yes, this is rightly said, early to bed, early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy and wise. And yes, this statement is not certainly followed by any of us, but it has n number of benefits. So you should go and check it out and notice the change. And now moving on to the eighth one, and it says you should spend time with yourself. And yes, you heard it right, because in this busy world, we always forget to spend time with ourselves, and that is very important for our life. So that is why I need you to spend time with yourself in order to look for things that you enjoy without worrying about others, and that is going to benefit you in the coming future. So moving on to the ninth one, which is try avoiding your cell phone. I know this is difficult, but you have to promise me one thing, that you won't use your phone for at least 1 hour before going to bed and after 1 hour waking up from bed. So last in the list is you always have to avoid stress. Avoiding stress is very important because 7 out of 10 people nowadays take a lot of stress on the regular basis, which is a matter of concern. So now to cope up with that, one should always have one thing or one activity that he likes to do, so that will divert his mind in a good way, in a positive direction, and that is going to avoid all the stress in his life. And lastly, by following all these things, no one can stop you from being attractive, and you know the deed now. Go hit the subscribe button now for weekly updates. Till then, peace.